Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a very useful feature of the Brave browser, enabling background audio. This is especially handy for those who love listening to music or podcast while multitasking. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Brave browser installed on your device. If not, download it from the official Brave website. It's available for Windows, macOS, Linux, Android and iOS platforms. Once you have Brave installed and open, let's move straight to the settings where we can adjust our audio preferences. Click on the menu icon, which looks like a three horizontal lines or sometimes like a gear icon depending on your version. In the menu that appears, find and click on settings. Now scroll down or search for additional settings. Now navigate to site settings. Under this, you can find the section labeled Site and Shield Settings or Site Settings and click on it. Here you'll see Sound option. Go ahead and click on it. In the sound settings, you'll find an option to allow sites to play sound. Ensure this is enabled. This setting will allow you to keep playing audio from your browser even when you switch tabs or minimize the browser. And there you have it. You've now enabled background audio on Brave. Whether it's a YouTube video, a streaming service, or any media, you can now enjoy continuous playback even when you're not actively looking at the browser window. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.